at 86.60, and I've put in 13,289.
Hey, that's okay, buddy. It'll be all right.
Hey, it's Will with All American Airborne Services, and we've been in business finding deer for a year now. Thought I would give you an update on how it's going. I'll be sharing this picture with you right here. Basically, through the first part of the year, I made almost 3 grand. So some notes: if you're gonna start the drone business, you better be ready to go. Because when they call, you got to go, and you have to want to. If you're not interested in going on an adventure in the middle of the night, it's going to become a chore very quick. You're not going to make a whole bunch of real money.
Go ahead, Johnny, and give us that report. How broke is he?
You're really a helper. And what'll happen very quickly is that those clubs that have that kind of money, that grow those kinds of deer, they'll get their own drone. So the average drone business guy is gonna get priced out of the market. I thought I might get some business from folks who had a high fence and wanted me to come look at what they had. They would just purchase their own drone. They'd ask what I had, and then they'd go buy that. And that's what those kinds of people with that kind of money do. I purchased an Autel Evo 2 640T first, and I found that drone was inadequate.
I say what?
It did not have a zoom camera like the Mavic 3T does. And because it does not have that zoom camera, you're not unable to get fidelity about what you're really looking at. You can see the heat signature or the IR, but a lot of times you gotta like look, see if it's a buck or a doe. So you gotta be able to zoom in on those kinds of things. This business is very PayPal and Venmo heavy, so be ready for that. One of the things about looking for deer or objects is it's a hunt and peck. If you're a patient searcher, if you're somebody that doesn't mind hunting and pecking, then you know, that's what you end up doing. You end up doing a lot of grid searching, just looking at anything that looks a specific shape or has a specific heat signature. You become pretty good at telling what you're looking at over time. If you like doing that kind of thing, then this might be something that you'll enjoy. But please don't think you're gonna make a ton of money off of it. But please don't think you're gonna make a ton of money off of it. But please don't think you're gonna make a ton of money off of it. But please don't think you're gonna make a ton of money off of it. I've been offering wildlife surveys. Wildlife surveys I thought would be wildly popular. I have literally sold 2 paying customers for a wildlife survey in 1 year, and that's it. Both were small landowners who had about 40 acres or less and wanted to know in great detail what kind of animals they had on their property. And I was able to do that. My base pricing has been $185 plus $1 a mile for Dad and I to get there to you so that we can look. All in all, you know, we're down that every bit of that initial investment, we're still down. Once you get it, you can keep it going because but the initial investment, at least for me, I haven't caught it up yet, but it's only been 1 year. So kind of that's where we're at. And I wanted to give you an update 1 year into the drone deer recovery business on All American Adventures here down in Southeast Alabama. So blessings to all, Happy New Year, and much love.
Hey, when you subscribe, it allows you to find the channel easier. It doesn't cost you nothing. Thank you. Here's a couple more videos.